Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Revolve, Extrude, Mirror, Fillet, and Shell. So open the Fusion and let's go. So the first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. This part is a symmetric part, and this face here is spherical, and the radius here is 127. So we use the Revolve to create this surface here. So the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this line here with 25 millimeters, create this arc with 127 millimeters of radius. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 25 millimeters of length. And go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point, make an arc here. Okay. And go to sketch dimension. Sorry. The radius here is 127 millimeters of radius. And find the center of this arc. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay. And now we will create this line here. The length of this line is 127 over 2. And here we have a line here, and the angle between this line and the center line is 5 degrees. So select line, click here in this point, make a line here, and make a line here, okay? Go to sketch dimension. The angle here, 5 degrees. Let me move this dimension here a little bit. And this line here has 127 over 2. We made this profile. So finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The axis, select this line here. Operation New Body and press OK. And now we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here in the center, we will create a rectangle. And this rectangle has 127 by 50 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Go to create and select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint. 50 millimeters by 127. Okay. And finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile. And the distance here, 30 millimeters. But here we have this angle, this taper angle with 5 degrees. So here in operation, select intersect. Okay. And the taper angle here, 5 degrees. But we need to put minus here to change the direction. So it will be minus 5 degrees. Okay. And press OK. Just to check the dimension, go to measure, select this face and this face here. The angle here must be 10 degrees. Okay, the angle between these two faces. And now we will create this hole here. So the first thing that we make, we'll create a center line here with 25 millimeters of length. And the distance between this center line and the midpoint is 63 over 2. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create, select the project include, project. The selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. Select a line, click here, make a line here with 30 millimeters of length. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and the midpoint here is 63/2 and press OK. And now let me remove the red lines here a little bit. We will create a line, this line here. The distance between this line and the center line here will be 2 millimeters because this hole here has 4 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between this line here and this face here is 2 millimeters because the thickness of this body is 2 millimeters, okay? So select line, click here in this point, make a line here and make a line here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines is 2 millimeters and the distance here 2 millimeters, okay? And now the distance between this point here, let me remove here, this point and this line here is 9/2 because it is the diameter here, so we'll use the radius. So go to sketch dimension, select this point and this line here, 9/2, okay. And now we will make this line here, and the angle between this line here and the center line here is 5 degrees. So select a line, click here in this point, make a line here. Go to sketch dimension, the angle here 5 degrees. Make this line a horizontal line, okay. We made this profile. So finish the sketch, go to Revolve, select this profile and show the body 1. The axis here, select this line. And the operation here is cut and press OK. We made this cut here. Let me show the section analysis here. Okay. And now we will make the same hole but in the other side. So go to create, select mirror. The object type, select features. The object, select this hole here, the revolve feature, okay. And the mirror plane, select the right plane and press OK. We made this one. And now we will make the fillets. Our fillet, 2 millimeters of radius. So in the edge, we have a fillet. And here, in this edge of the hole here, we have a fillet. Our fillets, 2 millimeters, okay? So go to fillet, select this edge here. And the radius here is 2 millimeters. And press OK. And now we will shell this body. So go to modify and select shell. And the thickness of this body is 2 millimeters. Okay. So we will remove the bottom face. So select the face that we will remove. And the thickness here is 2 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.